All right, YouTube, Carson's XDM45. We've already done this one time in the past, but we're gonna do it one more time. We're gonna shoot the water jugs with the Winchester Ranger T, 45 ACP. It's a bonded bullet, and so we're gonna see what kind of damage that'll do. We've already shot a Corbin Powerball, and we've also shot I guess a self-defense fragmentation round. I guess that's what it is. And let's see what the Ranger T does. Same scenario as these other rounds. 10 feet away. 8 layers of denim. Let's see what happens. All right. Woo. 1, 2. Went to the third jug. That might have went to the fourth jug. There it is. It's in the number 4. It's in number 4. Oh, a mess out here pretty soon. Look at that. Same scenario. Compare that to that fragmentation. Look at that bullet. That is just nasty. That is just absolutely nasty. Compare those other rounds. That's my carry ammo. Thanks for watching.